All right, so here we are under a 2004 Nissan Titan. What we're going to be doing today is an oil leak. Our oil leak is coming from our engine coolant cooler for the oil filter. So we have a cooler housing here on the other side of our filter. And we have a gasket back here. This is the gasket we're going to be replacing today. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove our oil filter. All right, so now that we have our oil filter off, we want to go ahead and remove our tube here. So this is a 22 millimeter hex nut. All right, and our seal, we'll just flip this around. Our seal is right there, the orange gasket. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up all of our stuff here so we can put our new gasket in. I'm just using some brake clean. I want to go ahead and wipe down our mounting flange on the engine. Same with the back of our cooler. All right, so here we have our new O-ring that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so we're going to go ahead and place it in. We are going to make note of our little check here that's going to line up on our check right here on our oil pan. All right, so now we have our pickup all cleaned up. We'll go ahead and reinstall it. All right, so we just want to hand thread it in. All right, so now we want to go ahead and tighten this. The spec is in between 20 and 30 foot-pounds, so we'll go ahead and go for 25 on it. All right, so now we're ready to install our filter. All right, so we're all done with the repair other than cleaning up our mess and just checking our oil and making sure that it is at the correct level.